Yeah, but yeah, that she just wanna dance. I'm pretty, but I'm loco. The loud got me moving slow. Jesus Christ. Hey, yo, sweetie, where the hoes? Hey, yo, keys, where the hoes? That other nigga, he a bozo. This is me, you don't know. We got liquor.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess Gogo back with another video. If this is the first time that you've come across my channel, welcome. And if you guys are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I am installing this new wig that I have in my head. And guys, when I tell you this is my favorite wig that I have ever put in my head, I love it. And this install was my best install that I've ever done so far. Your girl is really elevating, okay? Like, give me a round of applause, because if you go back, no. I'm really happy with the way that this hair came out, and honestly, this hair is perfect for the fall winter season because I love the color of this wig. It's kind of like a mix of browns and blondes. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Join the family. We have a lot of fun over here. We stay cute, you know, all of that. And don't forget to put on the post notification bell so you'll never miss a video from me. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy my content, and follow me on all of my socials: Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok. And let's just get into the video, okay? Because I'm doing another wig install. I'm very excited for this one because I finally got some color. I love colored wigs. So today I am going to be working with Yolova hair. They sent me over some hair. But this is the packaging. Look at this holographic going on. I love it. It says "Born for Beauty. A lasting, natural looking solution." Yes, honey. Look how it opens. Like a brand new iPhone, y'all. So here is the wig. And then again, it has like the holographic inside. So cute. They sent some goodies. A nice wig cap. You can never have too many wig caps. They sent some eyelashes. This is really cute, but I would never wear these. They're not my style, but I mean, it's the thought that counts, right? And they also sent some tweezers. You can never have too many tweezers either. I actually recently lost a pair of tweezers, so I'm actually happy that I got that. So this is a 13x4 frontal wig, and it's 24 inches. And look, oh my gosh, look at the color, y'all. Like, do you guys see this? I am so beyond excited. I love blondes, browns. I'm not into like the natural 1B color. So yeah, it is a nice curly unit. So we are going to be installing this, and yeah, enjoy. So I already went ahead and bleached the knots of this wig off camera. I did use 40 volume developer and my L'Oreal Quick Glue, and we're gonna get right into tweezing it. So when I tweeze my wigs, I like to tweeze them slightly damp, not wet, but slightly damp. I think it's easier for the hairs to come out. And yeah, I'm just gonna start plucking away. I like to pluck behind the hairline. So you guys just saw me take a little bit of hair from the front and then I'm plucking behind it. That is how I pluck my wigs. Now this angle is not the best, but I will show you guys a better angle so you can see the hairline thinning out. I'm not a pro at plucking, but I have really progressed over time. So if you guys are interested in seeing a really detailed way on how to pluck your units, let me know if you're interested in that. But I mean, plucking is a very repetitive process. This took me about an hour to do, and I know that it's sped up right now, but I really take my time when doing this. I'll probably show you a little bit of a clip on me plucking the hair in real time. I went ahead and slowed down this clip so you guys can see how I pluck in real time, but you guys see how the hairline is thinning out and it's looking more natural. So this is how fast I go when I'm plucking the hairline. It's honestly pretty slow. And I do the pluck skip method. I'm not sure if it's pluck skip, but that's what I do when I pluck my units, and it works out for me. So for this install, I am going to be doing the ball cap method. Personally, I really don't like the ball cap method. I think it's overrated, but it really gives good results, so that's why I'm doing it. I'm just waiting for it to dry at the moment. So once it's dry, I'm gonna take my scissors and cut off the extra cap. I would recommend going on YouTube and finding videos to help you kind of understand the ball cap method better, because I am not the one to teach you. So I'm just making sure that it's very flat and cutting off all the excess cap. I am going to be using the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive glue to install this wig, and this has become my favorite glue for wig installs because it dries super quickly and it's very easy to use. Now I'm taking my rat tail comb to spread out the glue. I decided to go ahead and do 3 layers of this glue on each section. Once the glue is completely clear, I'll go ahead and place my wig where I want it to be and kind of use my fingers to push it into the adhesive. But the most important part is taking a comb and really combing that lace down into the adhesive. This will really help it like stay and stick. So I'm just checking, making sure everything looks good, and I'm going to repeat the process on each side.
I think I started something. I got what I wanted. Did not, can't feel nothing. Superhuman, even when I'm fucking Viagra, popping every single record. Auto tuning, zero emotion, muted emotion. Pitch corrected, computed emotion. I blame it on a model bra with a Hollywood smile. Ow. Stripper booty in a rack like wow. Brain like Berkeley, better at Coachella. I went to see Chica, she with the CC trip. Perfect. I took a seat on the ice cold dawn. She handed me an ice blue bong, whatever. She said she wanna be a dentist really bad.
For my baby hairs, I like to map out where I want my baby hairs to be, kind of so I can get an idea of how they're gonna lay.
But I was smoking anyway. She said don't let the high go to waste.
And once I've got that all mapped out, I'll take my Lotta Body mousse and I'll kind of swoop the baby hairs away. So sometimes I cut after the swoop and sometimes I cut before. This first time I was really just trying to see what it was gonna look like. I am using my baby hair brush I got from the beauty supply store. Nothing fancy, but I do prefer the comb part over the brush part on this brush because I feel like it gives you more of that like natural baby hair look.
blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on can.
Today's hairstyle is the half up, half down. It's super easy. I'm just using the tracks on the side of the hair to kind of help me part out the ponytail part. And I'm taking my mousse and putting it on there and brushing it into place. And once that's nice and smooth, I will take my hair tie and just tie it up basically. For my curly hair, I like to use water and mousse to define my curls. In my opinion, I think this is the best combination when you want a good definition. But if you guys have any other products that you guys like to use, definitely let me know down below. I'm open to trying some new ones. But for now, water and mousse does me no wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and define the curls on the entire hair.
To me pretty, pity, pity. All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me pretty, pity, pity. Oh, I can't feel a thing, can't feel a thing, can't feel a thing, can't feel it, I can't feel it.
That is how I installed the wig. Like, my baby hairs are on point. Like, you guys see the baby hairs. Like, I don't even know how I did it, but I'm so happy with this install. It looks amazing. The hair is amazing. And I really love how they came out with the half up, half down look. Although there wasn't a lot of lace to work with, considering this is only 13x4, I still think that I was able to achieve the look nonetheless, and I love it. Thank you, Yolovahair, for sending me over this wig. I am so in love. If you guys are also in love, make sure you go down in the description box and I will put the direct link to the wig so you guys can purchase. And you can also use my coupon code Gogo for some money off so you don't have to pay full price. Okay, because I got you. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and make sure you follow me on all of my socials. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye!